So as you can see here, we went ahead, we got the valve covers off, fuel injectors already off here. Had to run and grab the Chrysler harmonic balancer tool so we could pull off the crankshaft, get this plate off to get that water pump out.
Metal. If it's metal, nada. Nomás lo
Loosening up
probably break it.
where the
Si es de plástico, a lo mejor
camshaft,
la navaja madrea las aspas de plástico.
already got the timing chain off, sitting here.
¿Tiraste una o qué?
Yeah, a while back.
Yeah.
Alright, much fun, grab it.
Alright, once we take the heads off, we'll just take the water pump out last.
Double cams right here. It's for the left side. You got the cams on the other side. My man got them over here. Alright, and then go ahead and he's getting the head out now. Basically a whole motor rebuild. Not for this one.
No, like with a blade.
Oh, okay.
Like a razor blade.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's not. Don't ever. I wouldn't scrape it with a wire brush.
Okay.
Scrape it with a blade, whatever you can. And brake cleaner.
Heads off. Spraying down the head gasket. Copper spray a gasket. High temps in it. Alright, so we made something shake with the belt tension and we already got the chain back on, as y'all can see. Valve cover back on this side. All we gotta do is put the timing chain cover and a pulley and we should be good to go.